trying to figure out how to fix you guys so we could mukbang in the truck today. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I want my daughter AJ, but I don't know if she must be on camera or not. She says nope. Nope. She says nope. Oh my gosh. Oh, how can we do this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Grrr. Can't do it. Anyway. Got the Mickey D's. And we're sitting in the truck because Jesse has his little school today. There. That hat makes me hot. It's early in the morning. It's breakfast time. And I got a sausage McMuffin. And I got my favorite drink, a Diet Mountain Dew. And I got a ketchup, and a jelly from my thing. So, y'all seen sausage McMuffins before, I'm really sure of that. But you haven't seen how I eat it yet. Gotta rip into it like a savage. This jelly must have been hot. I must have had it over there by the broiler or something. Does anybody ever do this combination? Ooh, I almost dropped it on the floor. Don't want to do that. Yum, yum. Ooh, that muffin's tough. So, got me a real napkin. I wonder if they gave napkins. Yeah, they gave napkins. Oh, she put them up already. So, those taste okay. Cheese tastes strong though. Wonder what kind of American cheese they use, what company. So, Foodie Beauty had a live last night. I can't watch this shit that she puts out. I really can't. I kept looking for the videos of her boyfriend. I wanted to see what he looked like. Couldn't find him. Couldn't find anything that had to do with her boyfriend, so I just gave up. It's like, but you can definitely tell something's different about her. I haven't got to that one channel yet that was suggested to me. But I think I may have seen it before. I think she's a gossip channel. Any of you watch TikTok? I do. My attention span is so low because I'm so tired. It's like, even if I like the videos, like the YouTube, like last night, I was going to watch YouTube. I'm 3 minutes into somebody's video, I don't even remember who. It's like, oh, I'm tired, I need to go to bed. But anyway, talk about TikTok. I have a TikTok channel too, or whatever, account, whatever. I have a few things out there on my TikTok. I'd like to do more TikTok. But here's the thing. I watch the TikTok for the animals. I love watching the animals on the TikTok. Especially the pit bulls, because I have pit bulls. And I like the cute guys. Sure, why not? Look at them, you know. I don't know what I'd do if I had one of them, but I don't think I want one of them, but I like looking at them. Right? Right. Anyway, there's some really cute guys, and they're flirting in the camera. They're so much younger than me. I mean, you know, when you're looking at people and they're flirting, you don't think about that. But they're so cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. You just want to go kiss them through the camera. Kiss them through the thing. Then I find out they're girls. She thinks that's hella funny. They find out they're girls. There's this one. Oh no, Robert's crying. Robert! No cry. Robert's in the car too. And there's this one. So sexy. Hold on, gang. Almost back. Little Robert. Drink your bottle, honey. Drink your bottle. He wants his bottle, and then he drops it, and then it's like... Anyhow. So, yeah, back to this TikTok thing. Some hot-looking dudes on there, but they're girls. That sucks. Because I am not gay. Oh, I got a fly bothering me.
That's lesbian TikTok.
She says that's lesbian TikTok. Do you like the cute girls? Mm-hmm. They draw you in. They really do. There's one girl. Damn, she can dance. It's like, wow. And then I figure out it's this young girl, probably in her 20s, maybe between 21 and 26 or something like that. I'm not a pedophile. Okay, don't think that. I just like looking at people. I'm not thinking, oh, I'm going to go jump their bones or anything like that. I just like looking at people. People are art. Okay, they're art. Anyway, she's so pretty. Well, handsome. She's handsome. She's a guy. Yeah. Anyway, and then there's this one. It's a black dude. It's got a mustache, and it looks like the one that's saying "I'm in love with Mary Jane." Oh, who's that guy? Angelina. Oh my God, he sings "I'm in love with Mary Jane." He looks like him, but he wears high heel shoes, and he's running around. He's running different places all over the TikTok. He goes, "Hi, bitch! Hi, bitch!" I think he's so funny. He just cracks me up. Cracks me up. Damn. Do you want one of these extras?
Sure.
So, yeah, he just cracks me up. Some of these TikTok things are really sad, though. Because they'll have people have their problems, like they had to put their dog down, or somebody died, and it's like, oh my God. I don't like to watch those, and I feel sorry for them. Oh no, Robert! Happy Bubba! So yeah, those some of it was really sad. Some TikToks are fun though. Oh my God, Duty crying! Don't cry! Don't cry! Duty Bug's helping give him a bottle. Yeah, we have all come down here for Jesse's school today. He only goes twice a week. He is going for an occupational therapist and a speech therapist because Jesse's speech is delayed. He's 2. And they make a big deal out of him because he doesn't really talk that much, but Jesse just don't really talk that much. And they say, oh, this and that, you know, just a bunch of different things about him. An occupational therapist because he sits like a W. He puts one leg underneath of him and one leg out. So they say something's wrong with him because he does that. You know, that's so much bullshit. I swear. Since I had kids, it seems like they're just picking kids apart. Really? It seems like they're picking kids apart. If they're not like in Harvard by the time they're 4 years old, there's something wrong with them. But there's nothing wrong with Jesse. Robert! Well, I need to let you go because little Robert's very unhappy, and I need to take care of that little guy. So thank you for joining me. See you next mukbang.